Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. We have here in this additional, but it's not in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 10th, because we have only one regular Sudoku, no extra puzzles in additional. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 9th, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left. In the yesterday's newspaper, the Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic. Yes, 3 puzzles I will do, because there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So, the first one, a Letter Sudoku number 4239. Alright. And we have here in this big square letters instead of numbers, digits, 27 printed letters. And there are letters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 letters that I can use. Those letters are the L, the I, the O, the E, the Z, the J, the K, the R, and the G. Alright. And the goal is to solve this word in the last column. It's a Dutch word. Alright, so let's get started. I in the third column, I in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there, I should be there. I in the first row, I in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the I should be there. I in the last row, I in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see that I, no I there, I should be there. I in this row, I in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the I should be here, here, or there. We see there an I, no I there, here and I in this column. So no I there. The only place left for the I should be here. And all the I's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter I. Alright. Okay. Then. 3 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the Z and the E. We have a Z and an E in this column. So no Z and an E in this box. The Z and the E goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Z and the E. Z and the E. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter J. Alright. Alright. Then, how about the R? In this row, the R in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there. R should be here. R in the last column, R in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there. R should be here. Yeah. Then. G. G in the last column. G in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the G should be there. 1 box left in this column for the letter O. Yeah. O. Let me see. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the O is missing, the L is missing, and the K is missing. O, L, K. We have an O in this column, so no O there. We have an L there in the last row, so no L there. So the O and L goes in those two boxes as a pair. O and the L, O and the L. That means one digit left, one letter left, correction, in this big square for letter K. Yeah. Let me see. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the E and the G. We have an E and a G in this row, so no E and a G in these 2 boxes. The E and the G goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. E and the G, E and the G. So what are the other 2 missing letters in this big square? The letters O is missing and the L is missing. O and the L are missing. All right. Z in this first column, Z in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the Z should be there. Z in this row, Z in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the Z should be here or there. We see there Z, so no Z there. Z should be there. Z in this column, Z in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the Z should be here or there. We see there Z, no Z there, Z should be here. Now we have a Z there, so this box can be Z anymore. That box should be a Z, and this box should be an E. Alright. So now we have 2 missing letters in the last column. Those missing letters are the E is missing and the L is missing. We have an E in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no E there. E should be here, and the L goes there. Now we have solved this word in 7 minutes. Wow. 7 minutes in Dutch. The word is zorgelijk. Zorgelijk. In English, worrisome or anxious. Anxious, yes. So, okay, let me continue now with this puzzle. So we have a Z in this row. Z in that row, so the row B3. In the middle row, the only place left for the Z should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, K is missing and the J is missing. K and the J, we have a K there, no K there. K should be here and the J should be there. 1 box left in this row for the letter J. Okay. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a J. We have a J in the first column, so no J in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the J should be there. JJ. Well. Now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters O is missing and the letter G is missing. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here and the O goes there. Now we have an O there, so this box can be O anymore. That box should be an O and this box should be an L. 1 box left in this row for the letter E is missing here. The E is missing. Alright. 2 missing letters in the last row. For the letters O is missing And the G is missing. O and the G, let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. How about these two missing letters in this row? The O is missing and the R is missing. O and R. We have an O there, no O there. O should be here and the R goes there. Alright. O in the third column. O in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places left for the O should be here or there. You see there, no O there. O should be here. Oh. Well. Okay. How about two missing letters in the second column? Those missing letters are the L is missing in the second column and the K is missing. L and the K. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here and the L goes there. Two missing letters in the first column. Same letters, I believe. The L is missing and the K is missing. Well, we have a K there, so no K there. K should be here. And the L goes here. One box left in this big square for the letter G. Yes, the G is missing. Alright. Then. G. GK. Well. How about? The L is missing here. Interesting. K, yeah. K in the first row, K in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the K should be here or there. We see there K, no K there, K should be here. K in this column, K in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the K should be here. And all the K's are used. I can't see. Letter number 2, letter K. How about How about the O in this row, the O in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the O should be there. One box left in the third row for the letter J is missing here. Yeah, the J is missing. J. J and L. J and L. Interesting. And the and the E. And the E. Well. Yeah. How about the Z? And all the Z's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter Z. Done. How about well. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters. One of the missing letter is an L. Well, we have an L there, so no L there. Here an L, no L there. There an L, no L there. So the only place left for the L should be here. So I've eliminated the O, so now the O goes here. Now we have O there, so this box can be O and more, that box should be an O, and this box should be a G. And all the O's are used. I can't see. Letter number 4, letter O. Then. Yeah. How about these two missing letters in this big square are the letters L and the J are missing. L and the J. Let me mark those letters. L and J. We have also here L. Yeah. Come on. It's taking too long. The G. Now we have a G there. So this box can't be G anymore. That box should be a G. And this box should be an E. Well. E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the E should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters E are missing, and the R is missing. E and R. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the R goes there. R in the third row, R in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the R should be here or there. We have an R there, no R there. R should be here. One box left in this first row for the letter G. No. L is missing here. L is missing. Now we have an L there, so this box can be L and more. That box should be an L, and this box should be a G. J. Two missing letters in this big square for letters J is missing, and the G is missing. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here. And the G goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Well, for standard 1-star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, 70 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other two puzzles. Sudoku with 2 stars, and the Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.